Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you. आज हम एक अनदर टेस्ट सीरीज़ के साथ हैं यहाँ पे जो फैमिली लॉ से रिलेटेड है और इसमें हम जो है 30 MCQs हम जो है डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो रिलेटेड हैं हिंदू लॉ और मुस्लिम लॉ से रिलेटेड हैं। तो चलिए इन्हें हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। हिंदू लॉ एंड मुस्लिम लॉ से रिलेटेड है। अगर आपको ये मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगती है अगर आप प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा चैनल, जिससे कि हमारा जो हौसला अफजाई हो और हम जो है आपके लिए इस टाइप की और भी बहुत सारी वीडियोस हम आपके लिए लेके आ सकें। तो चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की ये फैमिली लॉ की टेस्ट सीरीज जो है। तो इसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका, हु अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ द फेमस वर्क मिताक्षरा। मिताक्षरा इज रिटन बाय विजनेश्वरा। इसका राइट आंसर होगा सी, विजनेश्वरा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, जिमितावाहना इज नोन फॉर हिज वर्क। जिमितावाहना इज नोन फॉर हिज वर्क। राइट आंसर इज दयाभाग। विच इज ए कंडीशन फॉर ए वैलिड हिंदू मैरिज। Which is a condition of a valid Hindu marriage? Bridegroom completed the age of 21 years and the bride completed 18 years at the time of the marriage. So A is the correct answer. And question number 4, if a parties to a Hindu marriage are a sapinda to each other, marriage is a if a parties to a Hindu marriage are sapinda to each other marriage. Where is it defined? Where is defined void marriage? Void marriage is defined under section 11. And where is the provision for void under section 11? Under section 11 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, section 5 clause 1, 4th and 5th are condition are a void. If in these condition marriage is solemnized, the Hindu marriage shall be void. Under which section of ceremonies of Hindu marriage has been given? It is a very important question and most important question. Then ceremonies of Hindu marriage has been defined under section 7, in which, and don't confuse section 5 and 7. Under section 5 has been defined condition of a marriage, not ceremonies, so please don't be confused. In which a court aggrieved party may apply for a restitution of conjugal right. Where is defined restitution of conjugal right? Restitution of conjugal right under section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act. And where will we apply for restitution of conjugal right? We will apply in the district court for the restitution of the conjugal right. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 contains the minimum period of digestion of a filing a suit for a judicial separation. Judicial separation is a 2 year. This question is a very important for the point of view for the not only for GRA but also for the Bihar. Under section 11 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the marriage may be declared null and void. The parties are within the prohibited relationship. At the time of the marriage, one of the parties was incapable of giving a valid consent to it in consequence of an unsoundness of mind. At the time of the marriage, one of the parties was subjected to recurrent attack of insanity. Next, in all the above circumstances, the right answer is the parties are within the degree of the prohibited relationship. Okay. These the condition of this section. This question. Sorry, section question number 8. These are the condition of B and C are thus related to the voidable, not void. Supreme Court's directive calling for compulsory registration of a marriage was laid down. Lily Thomas versus Union of India, Naveen Kohli versus Neelu Kohli, Seema versus Ashwini Kumar, Savitri Pandey versus Premchand Pandey. But right answer is Seema versus Ashwini Kumar. Thus, in this case, Supreme Court held that the compulsory registration for the marriage. Those marriages are the registered. Those marriages are the registered marriage must be registered under this act. T. Sarita versus Venkata Subbiah is a case relating to the partition of property, conjugal right, inheritance, none of the above. But right answer is B. Conjugal right. A. Remarries within the 5 days of the passing of a decree of annulment of marriage under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Is this marriage valid? If a girl becomes pregnant by some person before marriage and subsequently marries some third person, what is the position under Hindu Marriage Act 1955? Marriage is void, marriage is valid, marriage is voidable at the option of the groom, marriage is voidable at the option of the bride. Marriage is voidable at the option of the groom. Recently, the Supreme Court in Anil Kumar Jain versus Maya Jain has held the requirement of 6 month waiting period in case of divorce by a mutual consent in Hindu law can be relaxed by a Hindu court only, Supreme Court, High Court, and the Supreme Court, and last one is any other court. The answer is Supreme Court. Recently, Supreme Court Anil Kumar Jain versus Mahajan has been held the requirement 6 month waiting period in cases of divorce by mutual consent. Then must be an in which court held that decision. This is this decision given by the Supreme Court. Breakdown theory of divorce is reflected by. This is the most important question. Uh, right answer is breakdown theory of divorce is reflected to section 13, clause 1, subclause A of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Which of the following is not a ground for divorce under Hindu Marriage Act? Insanity, leprosy, epilepsy, and venereal disease. And right answer is C. Epilepsy. Which section of the Hindu Marriage Act deals with alimony? Section 24, Section 21, Section 26, and Section 36. Right answer is A. Section 24. Section 7 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 provides for a requisite of a valid adoption, person capable of giving an adoption, capacity of a male Hindu to take an adoption, capacity of a female Hindu to take an adoption. Answer is C. Capacity of a male Hindu to take an adoption. Hanuman Prasad Pandey versus Bobby is a case related to adoption, guardianship, marriage, succession. This case is related to the adoption. Which one of the following section of the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956 defines dependents? Section 24, Section 23, Section 22, and Section 21. Right answer is Section 21. Customs are an important source of Hindu law. One of the following is the necessary features of a custom: uniformity, certainty, and conformity with public policy. All of the above. These are the all of the above. Which is not a primary source of Muslim law? Quran, Sunnah, legislation, and the Qiyas. The legislation is not a source of the prominent source of the Muslim law. The source of Muslim law source of the Quran, Sunnah, Qiyas, Hadith. A Muslim can marry any number of wives are not exceeding four if a Muslim marriage is a fifth. Such a marriage shall be void, valid, irregular, voidable. Such marriage shall be irregular. What is the age of puberty for a Muslim marriage? 9 year, 12 year, 15 year, and 18 year. Right answer is 15 years. Kyar ul buluk means. What is the means of Kyar ul buluk? Option of puberty, a form of dower, a form of valid marriage, infidelity. The right answer is option of puberty. Who is the legal guardian of a Muslim minor? Father, गार्जियन से ग्रैंडफादर, मदर, मैटरनल अंकल. Legal guardian of a Muslim minor is a father. When in a Muslim marriage, mahar in special field, the wife is entitled to get mahar-e-mujawwal, mahar-e-mujawwal, mahar-e-mishal, all of the above. Right answer is mahar-e-mishal. The most proper divorce is Hasan Talaq, Ashan Talaq, Talaqul Sunnah, none of the above. The most proper divorce under the Muslim law, Ahsan Talaq. What is the iddat period prescribed for a widow under the Muslim law? 4 lunar month and 10 days, 3 lunar month and 10 days, 3 lunar months, and none of the above. The right answer is A, 4 lunar months and 10 days. Next question is, under the Waqf Act 1995, the power of tribunal to determine dispute regarding Waqf is given in which of the following section? In the section 6, 7, 8 and 9. Our right answer is section 7. Hijnat means custody of a mother upon child only, custody of father upon child only, custody of a brother upon child, and A and B. Right answer is A and B. Custody of a mother upon child only, custody of father upon the child only. Thank you so much my friends. अगर आपको मेरा अगर चैनल ज्वाइन करना है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, तो हमारे दिए हुए इन लिंक पे आप क्लिक करके हमारे ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और यूपी जुडिशरी और यूजीसी नेट बिहार जुडिशरी के लिए प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको यहाँ पे फ्री में नोट्स और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस और गाइडेंस आपको मिलता रहेगा. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिए एंड थैंक यू सो मच.